Hi everyone and welcome back on the channel. This is a video review of this guy. It's a strong, portable, modular technology of solar panels. OptiSolex and this guy really saved me this winter to remain without energy on my battery. It has been a solid backup for my activity here, high in the mountains in Italian Alps. But let me do an overview of this guy. This is the OptiSolex 440W portable solar bag kit. It's a compact and portable solar solution made for off-grid life, camping, van travel or emergency backup. When it's closed, it looks like a travel bag. It's easy to carry and simple to store in a car or a camper. When you open it, you get up to 440 watts of solar power. The kit includes two 220 watts panels. You can use them together or separately. It uses high-efficient N-type solar cells for strong performance even when light conditions are not perfect. This equipment, in my opinion, it's perfect for camp and van life, traveling, for exploring with your off-road vehicles, and of course for your camping adventures. One thing I really like is the build quality. The fabric feels strong and durable, the stitching is solid and the handles are reinforced. It feels made for real outdoor use. The panels open and close smoothly and stay stable once positioned. The system can also be split into two separate 220 watts panels. You can take one panel on a short hike and leave the other at your campsite to keep charging your setup. It's practical and very flexible. Now let's talk about the Solex Brick. The design is compact, clean and easy to carry, but it's also very thought. It has an IP68 rating, which means it's protected against dust and water.
Rain, dirt, outdoor conditions. This unit is built to handle them. It's a smart and modern solution for portable solar systems. The kit includes very practical accessories. This is a small wrench tool to tighten and release the connectors. And the cables are really long, giving you freedom to position the panels in the sun while keeping your system in the shade. Small details that make a big difference. What can you power with this system? Phones, tablets, laptops, camera batteries and drones. A portable fridge LED light, a Wi-Fi router or a small water pump. Connected to a power station, you can also support tools, cooking devices and emergency backup system. It covers most essential off-grid energy needs. So this was a quick extra look at this solar setup. As always, you'll see it again in real use inside my off-grid projects. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review or back in the next vlog.